So I've come for a drive out to Kalgans Pool. So this is Kalgans Pool. Massive cliff here. Into the pool. Not as much water as last time I was here, but it is fairly deep though. A couple of tree swings there. It normally comes up to like here, fairly high. But yeah. Yeah, this is pretty much the spot that a lot of people come out from Newman just to have a day trip or maybe do an overnight camp or something like that. So yeah, it's not a bad spot though. Good drive, lots of water crossings to coming out here now. So you wouldn't be able to get out here in a Falcon or a Rav, I wouldn't think, not through those water crossings. But yeah, it's a good drive, really good drive, nice day. Flies are still friendly. So yeah, I'll get some hang out and get some photos, have a bit of a relax today. It's good. Now we've got there's a few water crossings here. I'm just on my way back out of Kalgans Pool. I'll show you this one. Jump out and have a look. Now, it's an awesome drive coming out here. So on the front of the car, I've got my X4. The 360, Insta360 X4, which is sensational. And then between that thing and this thing, which is your DJI Action 5 Pro, so good, eh? Anyway, this is the start of the water, exit water. So we'll go through. It does get quite deep. I forgot how deep it was. Well, it's been a while since I've been out here, so drop the window open and we'll just head through. Now put this outside the car so you can have a look. What a sensational day. Right, carry on, shall we? I'll work out these buttons. Which button's which? One of these. More freak action. So much fun. It's awesome. Where else would you rather be? I think this one's pretty deep that we're coming up to now. Good though. How beautiful. This is the desert. It goes for a while. We're in the water for a bit. Beautiful though. You swim here easy. Well, it's not very deep, but still pretty good for a hot day. When you get those hot days out here, which is a lot, especially in the summer, beautiful swimming spots. The water's so clear. Not sure if you drink it or anything, but still. I like the speedboat. Look at this. Bow wave. Not really a speedboat, but maybe a tugboat. Oh, got someone waiting to come in. I'll turn the camera off and go and have a chat. So much fun.
Hi.
How's it going?
Good. What's the deepest it gets?
Probably here.
Okay.
See it in the dark.
Oh yeah.
Hey, my phone number is on that website too.
Yeah.
If you get stuck or you need some help anywhere along the way,
Thanks, man.
give me a buzz and I can organise something.
Cool. Thank you. Super nice. Thanks.
I just had a bit of a chat with those couple of guys touring around. Yeah, it was nice to meet up with people. They're heading out to Kalgans to camp tonight, have a bit of a look around. But they've driven, they've got a Pajero driven across pretty much Australia, down from Sydney down to Melbourne and across here, and heading to the coast and then back to Perth, I think they said. So one guy's from Italy, the Dolomites, and then the other guy's from, what did you say? Brazil or somewhere. Yeah. Anyway, no, it's nice to see people sort of cruising around, enjoying it out here. So I forgot to turn the X4 off as well, so the whole conversation's probably going to be on there. I hope I didn't say anything stupid. Anyway, right, so now we're making our way back out of back out to home on this track. I think we've done all the water crossings now, so just pretty well smooth sailing from here. Well, bumpy sailing and corrugations. So yeah, I don't know. I might, yeah, I'll stop and get the X4. Anyway, carry on.